the tuner closest to you on the top side of the headstock of the guitar, is going to be the thick E string. After that's going to be the 5th string, then the 4th string. On the bottom part, the one furthest from you is going to be the 3rd string, then the 2nd string, and then the one closest to you on the bottom of the headstock is the smallest E string, the 1st string. Now, I'm demonstrating this on a tuner called Fine Tuner, but they all kind of work the same way with little differences in the images they show. I'm going to start on the thick E string. This is what mine sounds like, the 6th string. Now, if you're tuned way too low, it'll look like it's all the way over to the left and it won't go any further like this. That means you have to tune it up a lot. So that means that you have to, if you're holding your guitar against your body and you grab the tuner, you have to twist the tuner to the left if you're a right-handed guitarist. You just reverse everything if you're a left-handed guitarist, right? So I'm gonna do that now. This is what it sounds like. See, and it starts coming closer to the triangle. And see when the triangle becomes completely green, and I got it right on the center, that's in tune. So that's E.